Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm testing out the cameras on the OnePlus 9 Pro. This is in 4K at 120 frames per second. How does everything look? Look, slow pan of the Texas skyline. How's the mics doing? It is a little windy today. Check out the 300. Yes, I need to wash it. Look, it got fingerprints on. My kids don't know how to open a door. But I'm gonna do 4K at 60, 4K at 30, and then also 1080p. But what y'all think about this one so far? Stay tuned. 4K at 60 coming up. Until then, peace. All right, everyone. So this is 4K at 60 frames per second. I keep on wanting to say FPS. I don't know why. But at 60 frames per second, you do have access to the different lenses. That is 2x zoom. That is the ultra wide. Which I think actually looks good. How's the mics doing? It's kind of windy out here. How do I sound, by the way? Slow pan of the Texas sky. Look, that's not a cloud. It is hot too, by the way. Look, y'all want to zoom in the 300. Look at that grill, man. Look at that front. Ooh, very nice. But let's go back out. What y'all thought about the nighttime photos and video I did earlier? If y'all haven't checked out that video, go check it out. Do y'all have the OnePlus 7? I mean, OnePlus 7. Do y'all have the OnePlus 9 Pro? Y'all let me know. I'm gonna come back with 4K at 30. Until then, peace. Okay, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second. Now, when I was doing the 60 frames, I did get a warning about the camera overheating. So I know I've seen a couple other reports saying that. I don't know. What y'all think? That was like 2 minutes of filming at 120 and 60 at 4K, and I already got a warning about the cameras overheating. Yes, I know it's 90 degrees in Texas right now, but that was a little quick. So far, they seem like they're working right now. I'm in the shade, though. What y'all think about the colors, too? And like I said, in the 4K at 60, do y'all have it? Are you enjoying it? Let's zoom in some. That's not too bad. Here's what everybody wants, the ultra wide. Everybody loves the ultra wide camera lens now. Again, shout out to LG. But what y'all think? How's the stabilization too? Because I'm just walking around. Look at the colors. I don't know. I think it's doing pretty good. The cameras are okay. Are they the greatest cameras on a cell phone? No. Are they doable? Yes. But the overall experience has been pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. But the battery, I need to test some more. I still need to play some games. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see. So I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 60 frames and see if we have any problems with overheating. But until then, peace. Okay, everyone. So this is 1080p at 60 frames per second. I did move locations. I'm on the pond side. Look at the water. I did have to take a little break because it will not even let me take a photo of myself. It was saying that the camera was too hot and overheating. Does OnePlus have a problem with this? I don't know. I see a lot of reports online on Twitter. I didn't really believe it until now. I guess when it happens to you, that's when it really, is true. But that's 2x zoom, the ultra wide lens. What y'all think? But overall, again, the cameras are good. The Oxygen OS has been fun, kind of refreshing. But everybody wants to know again about the cameras. What y'all think? Look at baby girl up there. There's other people there too. So I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 30. Until then, y'all know what I'm gonna say. Peace. Okay, everyone. So this is 1080p at 30 frames per second. what y'all think. How do y'all like this video? How is the 4K? How was it? How did I sound again? How are the mics? And the stabilization. Now, I do want to discuss, yes, I said the phone started overheating. It is hot out in Texas, but it was not, I don't know. That was a little soon for it to be really overheating. But what y'all think? I don't know. More tests to come. Look, there's a duck. Let's zoom in. Eating some bugs. But the ultra wide lens is pretty cool. Watch ultra wide. Again, how did I sound though? How was the mics doing with the wind? And can you actually use these cameras to vlog? Maybe I should do a video and try to do a YouTube video using these cameras. I might actually do that. But I'm coming back with the front facing camera soon. But I want to zoom in again. Zoom in. Look at that. Yes, look at baby girl up there. But what y'all think? Y'all let me know. I'm gonna come back with the front facing video in a moment. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the front facing camera. I can shoot this in 1080p at 30, and then this is where it's a disappointment. Why can't I do 4K at 30 or even 4K at 60? But I would take 4K at 30. If you're trying to mess with the big boys, you should be able to film at least in 4K at 30. Another thing, I've been out here for about maybe 10-15 minutes, and I can't take pictures again because it says the phone is overheating. That is pretty bad. I wish I could show the screen. I wish I had my other phones on me, but they're in the car. But yeah, it's overheating already, and I've been out here for less than 15 minutes. I can do a video though, but I just can't take photos for whatever reason. Is that a deal breaker? It could be. I mean, because you're paying $1,000 for a phone, and if you live in Texas, it's always hot, especially during the summertime. What if you had a baseball game with your kids trying to take a picture and you can't because your phone is overheating? I don't know. What y'all think? Is that a deal breaker? More tests. I'm going to test it out more and let y'all know in future updates. Maybe they can fix something with an update. I don't know. I know that Snapdragon is pulling a lot of heat too, so that could be a problem. But stay tuned. I'm going to have some photos coming up. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about this whole video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the OnePlus 9 Pro. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.